Second bit, ninth question. The probability of three events A, B, C such that P of A equal 0.3, P of B equal 0.4, P of C equal 0.8, P of A intersection B equal to 0.09, P of B A intersection C equal 0.28, and P of A intersection B intersection C equal to 0.08, and P of A union B union C equal to greater than or equal to 0.75. If all these conditions are given, accordingly we need to find out P of B intersection C. B intersection C lies between interval. We need to prove B intersection C. Probability of B intersection C lies in this interval. So first, for solution, I want to write whatever it is given. P of A equal to 0.3, P of B equal to 0.4, P of C equal to 0.8, P of A intersection B equal to 0.09, P of A intersection B given, P of A intersection, after A intersection B, P of A intersection C equal to 0.28, P of A intersection B intersection C equal to 0.08. Now P of A union B, and one more, P of A union B union C greater than or equal to 0.75. So according to this information, we need to find out the bounds. Okay, P of A union B union C. It is given 0.75, greater than 0.75. Already we know probability is always less than or equal to 1. 0.75 less than or equal to P of A union B union C less than or equal to 1. So 0.75 less than or equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersection B minus P of B intersection C minus P of A intersection C plus P of A union B union A intersection B intersection C less than or equal to 1. So this is the addition theorem extension of the addition theorem of probability. Now, so we will write all the values. 0.75 less than or equal to P of A 0.3 plus 0.4 plus C 0.8, P of A intersection B 0.09 minus P of B intersection C, P of A intersection C is 0.28, next A intersection B intersection C plus 0.08 less than or equal to 1. Now, so 0.75 less than or equal to 3 plus 4, 8 plus 10, 15, 1.5, 8, 1.58 minus 0, 9, 28, 37 minus 0.37 minus P of B intersection C less than or equal to 1. So 0.75 less than or equal to. If we subtract, how much we will get? 1.21 minus P of B intersection C less than or equal to 1. I want to subtract 1.21 with all sides. 0.75 minus 1.21 less than or equal to 1.21 minus P of B intersection C minus 1.21 less than or equal to 1 minus 1.21. Okay, so if we subtract minus 0.46 less than or equal to 1.21 cancel minus P of B intersection C less than or equal to minus 0.2. So multiply with negative on both sides, all sides. Okay, minus if we multiply less than or equal to will become greater than or equal to 0.46, greater than or equal to P of B intersection C greater than or equal to 0.21. I will write in the ascending order. 0.21 less than or equal to P of B intersection C less than or equal to 0.46. So this P of B intersection C lies between 0.21 to 0.46. Even it is equal, so we need to take closure bracket. So this is the required result. Second bit, 10th question. The probabilities of three mutually exclusive given as 1 plus 3p by 3, 1 minus p by 4, 1 minus 2p by 2. Prove that 1 by 3 less than or equal to p less than or equal to 1 by 2. So according to this, we need to find 1 by 3 less than or equal to p. P value lies between 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. We need to prove. So according to this condition. So solution. I am taking this is p of p. 1 plus 3p by 3. P of b 1 minus p by 4. P of c equal to 1 minus 2p by 2. So these three are events. A, B, C are the three events. So those probabilities are 1 plus 3p by 3, 1 minus p by 4, 1 minus 2p by 2. So P of p 1 plus 3p by 3 should be greater than or equal to 0. Probability is positive. Probability should be lying between 0 to 1. So I am taking probability first. All should be lies between 0 to 1. 0 less than or equal to P of p less than or equal to 1. 0 less than or equal to 1 plus 3p by 3 less than or equal to 1. So cross multiply with 3. 0 into 3. 1 plus 3p less than or equal to 3. Subtracting 1 minus 1 less than or equal to 3p less than or equal to 2. Subtracting 1 0 minus 1 minus 1 1 cancel 3p 3 minus 1 2. Divide with 3 minus 1 by 3 less than or equal to p less than or equal to 2 by 3. Divide with 3. This is equation number 1. In equation number 1. Next 0 less than or equal to p of b less than or equal to 1. Taking 0 less than or equal to p of b less than or equal to 1. 0 less than or equal to p of b equal to 1 minus p by 4 less than or equal to 1. So denominator 4 multiply with 4. 0 into 4 0 less than or equal to 1 minus p 4 cancel less than or equal to 4. Subtracting 1 minus 1 less than or equal to minus p less than or equal to 2. Multiply with minus 1 greater than or equal to p greater than or equal to minus p. Order minus p less than or equal to p less than or equal to 2. So this is equation number 2. Next. So 0 less than or equal to p of c less than or equal to 1. 0 less than or equal to 1 minus 2p by 2 less than or equal to 1. Multiply with 2. 0 into 2 0. 1 minus 2p less than or equal to 2 into 1 2. Subtracting 1 minus 1 less than or equal to minus 2p less than or equal to 2 minus 1 1. So multiply with minus 1 greater than or equal to 2p greater than or equal to minus 1. So if we multiply with negative, so inequation will be changes. 1 by 2 greater than or equal to p greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2. So I want to write in order minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to p less than or equal to 1 by 2 in equation number 3. Next, so after this 0 less than or equal to p of a union b less than or equal to 1. A union b is also less than or equal to 1. So a union b formula 0 less than or equal to p of a plus p of b minus p of a intersection b, but already mutual exclusive, so intersection part is 0. No intersection. So 0 less than or equal to p of a 1 plus 3p by 3 plus 1 minus p by 4 less than or equal to 1. Taking LCM 0 less than or equal to 12 by 3 4. 4 into 1 4. 4 into 3 12p. Next 12 by 4 3. 3 into 1 3. 3 into minus 3 minus 3p less than or equal to 1. Cross multiply with 12. 0 less than or equal to 12p minus 3p 9p. 4 plus 3 7 less than or equal to 12. Subtracting 12 7 minus 7 less than or equal to 9p less than or equal to 12 minus 7 5. Divide with 9 minus 7 by 9 less than or equal to p less than or equal to 5 by 9 4. Next, after this one, p of b union c 0 less than or equal to p of b union c less than or equal to 1. So if you are taking this one, b union c, p of b union c formula, p of b plus p of c minus p of b intersection c, that is 0. because B and C are mutually exclusive. Okay, now so 0 less than or equal to P of B 1 minus P by 4 plus P of C equal to 1 minus 2P by 2 less than or equal to 1 0 less than or equal to LCM 4 by 4 1 minus P 4 by 2 2 into 1 2 into minus 2P minus 4P less than or equal to 1 cross multiply is 4 0 less than or equal to 1 plus 2 3 minus P minus 4P minus 5P less than or equal to 1 subtracting 3 minus 3 less than or equal to minus 5P less than or equal to 1 minus 3 minus 2 multiply with minus 3 greater than or equal to 5P greater than or equal to 2 divide with P 3 by 5 greater than or equal to P greater than or equal to 2 by 5 writing in order 2 by 5 less than or equal to P less than or equal to 3 by 5 in equation number 5. So P of A union C 0 less than or equal to P of A union C less than or equal to 1 0 less than or equal to P of A plus P of C minus intersection part 0 so less than or equal to 0 less than or equal to P of A equal to 1 plus 3P by 3 plus P of C equal to 1 minus 2P by 2 0 less than or equal to 6 by 3 2 into 1 2 plus 2 into 3 6P plus 6 by 2 3 into 1 3 into minus 2P minus 6P less than or equal to 6P cancel cross multiply with 6 0 less than or equal to 2 plus 3 5 less than or equal to 6 so this is correct. So here we are not getting any term in P so we don't need this one. Next 0 less than or equal to P of A union B union C less than or equal to 1. So 0 less than or equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C all the intersection parts are equal to 0. So 0 less than or equal to P of A equal to 1 plus 3P by 3 1 minus P by 4 plus 1 minus 2P by 2 less than or equal to 1. So 0 less than or equal to LCM 4 into 3 12 12 by 3 4 4 into 1 4 12 by 3 4 4 into 3 12 12 by 4 3 3 into 1 3 3 into minus P minus 3P next 12 by 2 6 6 into 1 6 6 into minus 2P minus 12P less than or equal to 1 12P 12P getting cancelled so 12 multiply with 0 less than or equal to 4 plus 3 7 7 plus 6 13 13 minus 3P less than or equal to 12 13 minus 3P less than or equal to 12 so subtracting 13 minus 13 less than or equal to minus 3P less than or equal to minus 1 simply 12 minus 13 multiply with minus 13 greater than or equal to 3P greater than or equal to 1 divide with 3 13 by 3 greater than or equal to P greater than or equal to 1 by 3 writing in order 1 by 3 less than or equal to P less than or equal to 13 by 3 in equation number 6. So now so from 1 2 3 4 5 6 P I want to write mouse. So if we write observe all this 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So right side I want to take. So what are the right side? 2 by 3 1 2 by 3 1 2 by 3 1 1 by 2 5 by 9 1 by 2 5 by 9 next 3 by 5 and 13 by 3 3 by 5 13 by 3 so P value less than all this so I want to take minimum of this if P is less than the minimum so P is always less than the all this among all this if I want to take minimum if we write P is minimum of this one then P is least value than all this so 1 by 2 2 by 3 0.671, 0.5, 5 by 9 0.55, 3 by 5 0.6. This is 4.3. Among all the 0.5 smaller value, so 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. Next, so I want to take left side. So left side values are minus 1 by 3 minus 3, minus 1 by 3 minus 3. Next, minus 1 by 2 minus 7 by 9, minus 1 by 2 minus 7 by 9. Next, 2 by 5 13 by 3, 2 by 5 1 by 3, 2 by 5 1 by 3. Okay, if we observe all these, so all the values are less than p. Okay, these all values are less than p. If we are taking greater value of this less than p, automatically remaining are also satisfied. So in all these 6, I want to take bigger value. These 4 are negative, so always smaller values. This is 0.4, this is 0.33. Among these 2.5, 0.4 is the bigger value. That's why I am taking 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 less than or equal to p less than. So 2 by 5 equal to 0.4. Once I want to see 2 by 5. Where is 2 by 5? First minus 1 by 3. So this is 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2. 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 less than or equal to p less than or equal to 3 by 5. One more time. 1 plus 2 equal to 3 minus 3. 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2. So that is, this is minus 3, this is minus 2. So 1 into 4, 4 actually it is. 4 minus 3, this is 1. So this is 1, this is minus 1. So minus 1 by 5. This is also minus 1 by 5. So it is not 2 by 5, it is minus 1 by 5. So this value is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 less than or equal to p less than or equal to 2. So this is the required solution. Second bit, 12th question. From the employees of a company, from the employees of a company, from the employees of a company, 5 persons are selected to represent 5 persons are selected to represent them in managing committee of the company. The particulars of 5 persons. The particulars of 5 persons. The particulars of 5 persons are as follows. Serial number, name, sexy age. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Harish, Rohan, Sheetala, Alice, Salim. So their gender, male, female, male. 30, 33, 46, 28, 41. A person is selected. A is selected at random from the group to act as a spokesperson find the probability that the spokesperson will be either male or above 35 years. So either the person is male or age greater than 35 years. So this is the table. According to this table, we need to pick a spokesperson. How many persons? Exactly 5 persons. We need to pick 4 spokesperson. Okay, first the spokesperson should be either male. So if he is male, no problem. So if or else the person should be greater than age 35 years. So first I am taking A, male we can consider. B, age greater than 35 years. Age is greater than 35 years. Okay, how many males? 1, 2, 3. So number of male persons 3. So N of B, the person age greater than 35. If you observe age greater than 35, 46 and 41. These are only greater than 35. So how many? 2. N of A intersection B. A intersection B means so the person is both male and age greater than 35. So in male, age greater than 35 is only 1. That is Salim. So number of persons equal to 1. So N of S, total persons equal to 5. So P of A equal to N of A by N of S, B by 5. P of B equal to 2 by 5. P of A intersection B equal to 1 by 5. Divide with N of S. So by addition theorem of probability, P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. P of A, B by 5, 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5. 3 plus 2, 5 minus 1, 4 by 5. So this is the probability that the person either male or the person's age is greater than 35 years. So this is the required solution.